Struggling to add Mailchimp to your Namecheap site? I will show you exactly where to click to get your sign-up form live in just a few minutes. No guesswork, no digging through confusing menus, just clear steps that work. First, log into your Namecheap website builder. Then, follow these 6 simple clicks to connect Mailchimp. That is it. 6 clicks. All right, let us start. The first thing you want to do is open your Namecheap website builder. So go ahead and log into your Namecheap account and then head over to the website builder section. You are looking for the option that lets you edit or create your websites. This is where all the magic happens. Just click on that to open up the editor for the site you want to work on. Now, once your website editor loads up, you will see your page in the preview area. What we need to do next is find the right spot to add our sign-up form. So look at the page and click on the highlighted area that you want to tie your Mailchimp form to. This is usually a section on your page where you want visitors to enter their email, like a header or a specific content block. Just click right on that highlighted spot to select it. So here is the really important part. We need to add the functionality. With that section now selected, look for the option that says Integrations. It's usually in the sidebar or the menu that pops up when you select a part of your page. Click on Integrations. This opens up the door for all the third-party services you can connect, and Mailchimp is one of them. Now, from that list of integrations, find and click on Mailchimp. It should be listed there clearly. Give it a click, and it will start the connection process. Once you click on Mailchimp, you will see a few different options for what you want to do. What you are looking for here is the option that says Sign Up Form. But this is the thing that will actually capture your visitors' email addresses and send them straight to your Mailchimp list. So go ahead and click on Sign Up Form. And finally, you will see another highlighted area or button to confirm or place the form on your page. This is the last step. Just click on that highlighted area to complete the setup. Your Mailchimp sign-up form is now live on your Namecheap website. And that is it. You have gone from being stuck to having a working email capture form in under 5 minutes. Now your visitors can subscribe, and you can start building that email list. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your site.